Subframe's broken in half.
Subframe's broken in half?
Something comes out. Sensors don't come off.
Oh man, Sam wants the downpipes on.
The sensors get welded from the inside.
But he has some other issues, so Mike just doesn't even want to do them, but... Maybe because Mike saw these nuts, he didn't want to do them, but...
No, we can get the nuts though, they ain't no
problem. The nuts are no problem, but...
No problem.
But I don't know, Mike's just not feeling it. I mean, we also need to...
2:30 or something? It's 3 o'clock?
Is it? 2 o'clock?
2 p.m.
It's 2 o'clock.
Alright, let's go.
N54 downpipes. Let's see how long they take. Ready? Yeah. Hold on, somebody's calling. Easy.
What's that? What are you thinking?
Oh.
Me like.
Did I get it, Mike?
This is the other side. We should probably... No, they stopped. We should
Oh,
probably...
they stopped?
Yeah.
This is where the rust is, bro?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh, no.
Oh no.
You got that tool?
Yeah, I got the toe.
Damn it, Sam. You put Loctite on these?
Sam, why'd you Loctite him, dog?
Just pulled my groin, dude.
Mike's out here pulling his groin for you.
Dude, you better protect them, Jimmy.
Alright, after some time, love and care, me and Mike got the O2 sensors out. Looking good, looking like they can go back on. Here are the rattlers. They're both pretty loose. Maybe I can give you an example. Oh yeah. They're loose as a goose, so. But they're still holding alright. I'm gonna try to get these clamps to work for our boy. Cause he's on the budget, so we'll see about him. Oh, these are twisted to shit. Yeah. Never mind. Mike's got some new clamps. Yeah. Are those OE? Yeah. We're gonna find some used ones for our boy.
What?
What? Alright, Mike, what do you gotta say about this? How's it looking?
This car makes me want to slap his mom.
What? What?
I'm kidding, dude. It looks fine. It's not getting cooler.
It looks pretty good.
It looks wet in there. Why?
She's a little moist.
In there? Probably just from that crankcase coming in.
Look at how rusted them turbo fans are, Jimmy.
Not rusted. Not too bad.
They are a little rusted. The wastegates are
Oh,
clapping.
that one. Yeah.
They've seen better days. They have definitely seen better days.
But we got the O2s and the new downpipes, the new slightly used downpipes. And we're gonna throw them on and see how loud this thing gets. Oh yeah, she's getting tight.
Oh, yeah. Not to see if I was right about the steps.
Maybe let me get this O2 sensor through first. Actually, no, you got it. Don't touch my nice climb.
Look at that.
Alright.
But the sensor got McTwisted here.
Oh, really?
That's all good. Won't see those babies for a while. Alright, it didn't snuggle up as good as Mike's clamp.
No, it did not. We had to really struggle to get this clamp going, but she's going now.
Glory to the Imperial People's Republic of China!
No, whoa. That's Chucho you're talking about. Chucho, you good?
Alright, now we put the exhaust on before you tighten up the V-bands so you can get them in the right spot. And then you tighten up the V-bands.
Yeah, let's tighten up this beautiful piece here.
Oh, and we gotta
Oh yeah, let's tack her up.
weld this up because we did hear that it had an exhaust leak and that's where she's coming from. So we're gonna see if that makes it sound any better.
We just chase her up real quick.
Yeah, we'll just make her up real quick.
Alright.
Mike is fixing the top side of the exhaust. It was definitely had an exhaust leak from the muffler shop that decided to not weld the top of the exhaust. So Mike is fixing that up.
Are you looking at the light?
No, we're blocking it with the hand.
Just looking at it through the camera?
Alright.
Dang.
Like, what about the other side?
One on this side, this side?
Yeah.
Right there?
Yeah.
Alright, Mike's got some new gaskets, L-ring.
I got new gaskets. These
Mike's
are
got new
long.
gask's. Happy birthday, Mike.
Thanks, guys. I'll see you next year.
Hey, screw you. My birthday is tomorrow.
Oh,
Is it?
feel heavy.
Is it really? How old are you turning, Sam?
22, baby.
Oh,
22!
When I was at 22, fucking
Do you
blown up
remember?
My N54. 22 with an N54? Success.
Successful, dude. That's when you know you made it.
Yep.
But we got new gaskets going on this thing.
You got new gas?
New clamps, new upper gaskets, and we fixed his exhaust pipe, so it should sound pretty good, I hope. Alright, we're getting our torque down here. We got the top torque down already. We had these a little tight. And then we got the top tight. We made sure it wasn't touching this bolt. It's pretty close, but it ain't touching.
Oh, she tied it up, Sam. Don't worry.
Okay. Pretty good,
Alright. She's good to go.
Now we gotta tighten the steering rack on.
Oh, yeah.
And then put the bracing on. We should be good to go.
Here's a 10 mil.
Alright, Mike's looking for a 10 mil. We got everything done. We got this torqued back. We didn't clean anything, not this time.
Felt terrible not to clean. Oh, there's the 10 mil.
It's dirty. But yeah, they're all installed. Looking not fresh. They're used, but you got a great deal on them, so. Yeah, what time? Oh, what time is it?
Deal of a lifetime.
It's 4:02, so that's not terrible.
How long?
I forget what time we started. I'll have to look at the video, but
Well, we went to lunch together, right? Probably like
no, we didn't go to lunch.
2 o'clock.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we started at 2, so 2 hours, 2 mechanics, and we welded the exhaust and blah, 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 messed around with a little bit. For real? Alright, we're flashing her up. She's all back together. He's doing a quick flash on her for the downpipes, and then we're gonna start it, see how she sounds. Loud pipes. It's just downpipes to the, oh, you guys saw, downpipes to the straight pipe, so straight pipe all the way from the turbo wheels. Mike's worried. Alright, give her a tap.
Dude, here it goes, dude. Your inner lights don't work.
Oh shit. Oh, no startup roar? Did you turn it off? Oh, okay. Alright, well we'll have to let her warm up. She still sounds interesting, but I think that's just the exhaust, but does it sound any different? Or can you tell?
A little bit raspier.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a little bit more rumble.
Alright. You can't really tell without the cold start on.
Pull it outside.
Yeah, we'll pull her outside, let her warm up. You gotta fix your hair or something? Oh, the memory card is
What's
almost
up, guys? Today
What's up, Tom?
was a good day.
Today was a
Got
good day.
into a little B58 Gen 2 action.
Just a little bit.
Started it up.
Sam's taking
Sam's
his
got him a
downpipes
trophy.
out.
Trophies.
Anyone needs N54 stock downpipes, here you go.
Hit Sam up.
He needs some assistance.
We never got an exhaust clip. Oh, there's Mike starting up, but cold start.
We got 2 N54s right here.
We got one leaving over there. Start her up, Sam. She's a screamer, bro. Oh,
Shit.
oh my gosh, dude. That's too much, bro. That's too much.
Both about to leave the chat.
What'd you say?
See you guys. I'm taking Chooch back.
Alright, see ya. See ya, Chooch. Have a good time. Peace.
My $1,500 salvage title N54.
Bro,
Card ran out. Yeah,
Fixed it.
fixed it. We just
Another
missed
happy
another N54
Bro, like, you're
rolling out.
like, revive O2, N54.
Hell yeah. Why you got all this oil, bro? You leaking oil?
She's thirsty.
She's thirsty.
Thirsty, man.
Damn, we got another N54 over there. It just came in, has some problems. It's pretty clean. We'll see it tomorrow.
Got my trophy.
Sheet.
Trophy.
See you, bro. The thing's loud, bro. Loud.
Oh, dude, listen. Oh my. It is down shit, bro.